Hello class 9C. Today we are going to revise the second chapter, chemical changes and reactions. Now, as we know, a chemical reaction is the process of breaking the chemical bonds of reactants and formation of new bonds to form new products. So, in a chemical change or chemical reaction, the reactants react to give you a new product which will have the different composition and different chemical properties from the reactant. Now the types of chemical reactions: combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction and double decomposition reaction. So these are the types of chemical reactions, so we need to discuss about its definition and the examples. Okay, so first is combination reaction. Combination reaction means when two reactants combine to give a single product. It's called as a combination reaction. Say for example, when iron combines with sulfur, it will form iron sulfide. Second type of reaction is decomposition reaction. Decomposition means to break down. So a chemical reaction which involves the breakdown of a single compound into two or more products, we can say for example, mercuric oxide will give you mercury and oxygen. This is decomposition reaction. Similarly, number 3, displacement reaction. Displacement reaction means when one atom displaces another atom. Okay, say for example, copper sulfate reacts with iron to form FeS4 and copper. So if in this reaction, if you see, then this copper has been replaced by Fe. So it has formed FeSO4 and copper has been replaced. So such kind of reactions we call a displacement reaction. Next, fourth type is double displacement reaction. In double displacement reaction, we have got two reactants. Okay, we have got two reactants, and when they react, they will exchange their ions, we can say for example, A can take C and B can take D, so it will form AC and BD. And this double decomposition reaction is of two types. Okay, one is precipitation reaction and another is neutralization reaction. In precipitation reaction, what will happen when we react the solutions or any reactants, a precipitate is formed. Okay, that is a precipitate, or we can say insoluble solid is formed, that is called precipitate. Say for example, sodium chloride reacts with silver nitrate to give you silver chloride and sodium nitrate, and this silver chloride is a white precipitate. And the second type of reaction of double displacement reaction is neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction means when a base reacts with an acid, a salt and water is produced, that we call as a neutralization reaction. So base we have taken sodium hydroxide and acid as hydrochloric acid, so it reacts to give you sodium chloride and water. So these are the types of double decomposition reaction. Next we have got chemical changes based on the energy change. Okay, so we have got basically two types, exothermic and endothermic change. Exothermic change means a change which involves the evolution or release of heat energy, that is called exothermic. And endothermic means a chemical change which involves the absorption of heat energy, is called endothermic reaction. Now today's assignment number 7. Question number 1, state the type of reactions each of the following equations represent. So you need to indicate what type of reaction is this. First one, chlorine plus 2 KBr giving you 2 KCl plus bromine. What type of reaction is this? Calcium carbonate giving you calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Lead oxide reacts with sulfur dioxide to give lead sulfate. Potassium nitrate reacting with sulfuric acid to give nitric acid and potassium bisulfate. Question number 2 is define the terms neutralization reaction or B precipitation reaction. Question number 3 is differentiate between exothermic and endothermic change. And question number 4, what do you observe when water is added to quicklime? So complete this assignment and send it in my mail.